Today I want to share with you a very interesting and unique topic, something that is revolutionizing the world of the internet and social networks these days. Now on TikTok, Instagram, and even FanView, there are hundreds of fully artificial intelligence models that are active 24 hours a day. They don't get tired. They don't need to rest. They don't even need to appear in front of a real camera. But still, they generate really high and completely real income. And the strangest thing is that people know that these models are not real people, but they still follow, comment, and even support them financially. Because the world of artificial intelligence now works so naturally that the difference between real and artificial is getting smaller every day. This is exactly the opportunity that many have been waiting for, a chance for those who want to start an online business, but have no followers, no experience, or are even embarrassed to appear in front of the camera. But starting today, these limitations no longer exist because we can create a complete AI influencer using artificial intelligence, choose the look, personality, voice, content style, all in just a few clicks. So stay with me, because right now, we are going to create your first AI influencer together. And this could be the start of a new and profitable path for you. To start creating a model, we log in to the Picasso AI website. It's very simple, just complete a short registration and log in to the dashboard. Picasso will create a complete AI model for you in a few seconds, and after creating the model, you can produce dozens of professional and diverse photos. Beach poses, urban, studio, fashion, beautiful poses, different styles. Anything you want can be created with just one click. This is one of the fastest and easiest ways. You don't need any editing, Photoshop, or special technical knowledge. The whole process is completely automated. And if you go a step further, you can even create short AI videos. That is, your model can appear not only as a photo, but also as a video, and produce content for your page, TikTok, or Reels. This way you can have a real AI model in minutes, without a camera, without a studio, and without the expense. Now we come to the important part. FanView is a professional platform for content creators, where you can upload photos, videos, and even your own AI model, and earn real income through subscriptions and paid messages. This is where your AI influencer can become a source of income. The platform has a subscription-based system that allows you to publish your exclusive and paid content only to your real fans. Fans pay a monthly fee to access this content. In addition, there is another interesting feature, paid private messages. You can send fans private messages or have them send you messages and get paid for each message. This is exactly the part where many models and influencers make serious money. The big advantage of FanView for content creators is that it has very low and fair commissions. In the first month, creators receive up to 85% of their earnings, meaning that most of the money goes directly to your account. Almost any type of content creator can work on FanView: influencers, models, artists, trainers, fitness creators, AI content creators, and even people just starting out. Everyone can make money on the platform. Simply sign up and upload your AI model. I've included the site link in the video description so you can easily log in. Once we enter FanView, the first thing we have to do is click on the Become a Creator option. Here we will be shown an overview of the average income of creators to understand how much people can earn on this platform. After this step, we just have to click on Start Earning to enter the professional account creation section. In the next step, we need to select our country. Then FanView asks us what type of creator we want to feature. Is our influencer fully generated by AI? Is it edited by AI? Or is it a real person? This part is important because it determines how the algorithm interacts with our account. After this part, we need to select the category of the type of content we want to publish. And then FanView asks us to specify the gender of the model or AI character we are creating. Now we come to the more important part, choosing the influencer name, username, and profile photos. Here it is better to use images that have a professional and attractive look so that the profile looks strong from the start. Next, we come to choosing the monthly subscription price. This part completely depends on your strategy. My suggestion is to start with a low and affordable price, because later, you can sell more exclusive content, special images, or personalized messages to loyal fans. That's where the real profit comes from. In the final step, we need to verify our account so that we can withdraw the earnings. This information will not be made public and is only for financial and platform security purposes. To do this, we need to scan the QR code displayed with our mobile phone and go through the verification step by step. The whole process usually does not take more than a few minutes. Once you've completed all the steps to set up your account, it's time to get to the main part, uploading your first piece of content. You can choose one of the AI, this with Stocher videos you've already created, and publish it as your first post. This will make your profile look active, real, and ready to receive followers and subscribers. FanView also offers a few additional steps to make your profile look more professional, such as adding an attractive banner, a few initial posts to fill the page, and a more detailed description of the type of content you publish. The more complete and professional looking your profile is, the better your chances of selling subscriptions and attracting fans. But here's a very important tip. It's better not to rely solely on FanView. In addition, be sure to create a page on Instagram, TikTok, or X. These platforms are the best way to attract an initial audience. When you publish content on these networks, you gradually drive followers to FanView to subscribe and convert into real customers. If you rely solely on internal FanView traffic, growth may be slower, but there's always a chance that new people will find your profile by accident. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more tutorials on AI, building AI models and monetizing it, be sure to follow the channel so you don't miss any of the next great videos. Want the full free course that shows you step-by-step how to start and earn with your own AI influencer? Click the link in my bio or pinned comment. Sign up free today at the FanView AI Creator Academy.